Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video for March 21st, 2019. So, something awesome happened in the markets today, and this was when the S&P traded and closed above all of the previous highs since all the way back in here in October. So the 2820 was a key level that we were watching, and there's quite a bit of resistance there, but 2850 was pretty critical. And for the market to come above 2850, close above there, to me, it's very, very bullish. And I'm going to continue focusing on the long side of this market until it tells me otherwise. My newest favorite spot is one of my favorite tickers that I love to trade, which is Adobe. Adobe has done a really good job climbing out of these ashes, and there is quite a bit of resistance here at the 265 price point, 260 and then 265. Um, but overall, it's got amazing consolidation. Earnings is already over. It pulled back to the 34 EMA. You've got a ready aim fire buy signal there. And the thing about it is, I was looking at Microsoft the same way, and Microsoft did not care about this resistance, and I think Adobe is very close behind it. Microsoft came and hit, and then boom, kabam. Okay, because all these people who are thinking it's going to fail, once it breaches that level, it's just going to take off. So that was the trade that we made today in Netflix on the shorter time frame, and I want to do the same thing in Adobe on the daily time frame. So I'm looking for a breach of that resistance, and I'm trading it a couple different ways. So I have a couple different trades on this. I've got a bullish call butterfly. So I'm looking ultimately for a price target of 275. So by placing a bullish call butterfly with the long strike at 260, the short strike at 275, and then the other one at 290, what you're trying to do is you're trying to maximize the long 260 while getting your decay on the 275. So we got into that for 594, currently trading at 765. Would like to get a double out of that. It's still got another $10 to run and 15 more days. And then this one is an unbalanced fly where I am short the 260 puts, looking for theta decay on that. And so because I took this one in for a credit. If it trades above 265, you just get to keep your credit that you got. And I think it was about like an 88-cent credit. Um, but if it trades within this range, if in fact Adobe is getting a little stuck at 265, that will be the best way to profit. Then in this account over here, it's my more aggressive account. I've got the long call. So, I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I tried to lighten up, um, but I just couldn't get everything out of my account because I really like the overall state of the market right now, and I had to get myself some Adobe. So I'm gonna be checking my Thinkorswim, sitting on the beach, seeing how Adobe's doing. Somebody send me a tweet if it hits 275. And beyond that, I mean, the market pullback on Monday and Tuesday, we had a lot of traders in our room who were looking at it saying, oh my gosh, this is so rough. The market's pulling back. I mean, the answer, I don't know. I guess the thing that I have to say about that, and we should probably put the SPX here, is I used to feel that way myself, and I no longer feel that way because now what I do is I look at every single pullback as an opportunity. And by looking at that pullback in the SPX and watching for the shift in the trend and for the strength of the trend to come back and to get those moving average crosses to trigger you into the upside and to see which of these are triggering at what point, um, that really gives you the confidence to come in and buy at those levels. So, I mean, Adobe triggered a couple days ago, it pulled back a little bit more, but triggered again. And all of these stocks right now, besides Boeing, are pretty strong. You do have a little bit of weakness in John Deere as well. Oh, I bet there's a squeeze there on AXP. But for the most part, I mean, these are the stocks that drive the market, and they are very strong. So I'm bullish. I'm trading Adobe, looking for it to be trading up to 275. And if you would like to join me in the newest opportunity that we have, I taught the class on the Phoenix Finder last month, and now I'm going to be offering a live trade with the indicator. And this is also going to come with my Phoenix Folio lists. So if you want to get my stock lists, if you want to get the tool that I use, and if you want to get a couple hours of live trading with me, make sure you go to simplertrading.com/finder and check it out. Because when I get back from Puerto Rico, I am going to be ready to get my trade on. And we're going to be looking for Phoenix. Hopefully, we'll get a market pullback so that we can jump in right down there at the lows. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.